Hello, welcome to our science fair project. Today, we will be talking about our product, the thermocharge, the thermoelectric gallium nitride wireless charging portable charger. Let's get started.
Have you ever been in a situation in which your devices are very closely running out of charge? The moment your device is at 1% is the worst feeling, and you begin to scramble around to look for a charger. And you think to yourself, why isn't there a solution to this? How are you going to finish your YouTube video that you were watching or find that very old folder? We now have a solution with our product. Thermocharge. We have innovated the normal power bank, which exists, and we tried to fix some problems with it. We have also made our power bank very sustainable and efficient. Our product's main feature is thermoelectricity. This way, your portable charger can be in your hand or your pocket, and it can charge your devices using the heat of your body. During the building process, we first drew a sketch of our end result to get an idea of what we were trying to build. We ordered materials and tried to construct our base product, which we then improved upon in later generations. Our final product looked appealing, and we learned a lot during the process of building it. We faced numerous challenges throughout, and we fixed these issues along the way to help improve our overall product.
As stated before, our device is called the thermocharge. This device will utilize heat and convert it into electricity to charge your everyday smartphone just like this one. Gallium nitride is also included in this charger, which is actually 1,000 times faster than your regular charger. Gallium nitride also has a smaller effect on the environment, which is key in these hard times. This charger can be used at any time as it runs on body heat, so you can just slip it into your pocket and put your phone in there too, and voila, you have charging.
Have you ever run out of charge during a road trip or while camping? Yes, you may have access to a portable charger. What if that runs out of charge? You usually need ingress to a plug or an outlet, so others might be already using it. Well, now we have a fix with our product Thermocharge, which utilizes thermal electricity.
Our hypothesis is that if a thermoelectric generating fast charging portable charger works, then you can charge your phone using body heat at any given time, as the heat is then converted into electricity to power your device.
We found that in the many graphs that we curated, that the people who answered were on the same page as us. We had a whopping 82.4% of the people agreeing to buy our product, and also 5.2% that would consider this choice. Along with this, $60 to $69 was the best range for our price. We find that this was also very identical to our vision, as we didn't want our product to be too expensive. Others also stated that our product was very worth it and that it should have been more expensive. Roughly half the class has a portable charger, and most of them would consider buying one if they didn't have it. This would be a perfect chance for them to buy our portable charger, as it is new technology and they could utilize it well. With viewing the tables that we constructed, we saw that there was many changes to make from our original materials. We noticed that the color of our original prototype was not suiting our needs. The wireless charging was also a very important part of our prototype, as wireless charging is very important and it will allow a wireless experience. The thermoelectric feature was a very efficient feature for us that would utilize body heat and convert it into electricity. We noticed that this is basically free power, as you would never need to plug the portable charger in and you could just utilize this throughout your daily life. We saw that the changes that we set in motion helped improve our product. Here are some images of our prototype and its construction. As you can see, first, there's an image of the cardboard layer. Next comes the image of the paper that it's coming on top. And thirdly is the final and finished product.
To wrap things all up, let's get to the point, the conclusion. Our hypothesis was sadly incorrect due to complications with the thermoelectric generator. We unfortunately received the faulty one and it was not able to work in our favor. We had to continue with this product as time was not in our favor and used it as a placeholder. The remainder of our device actually worked smoothly, and the wireless charging features worked amazingly. Through trial and error, we learned lots of things from this. We learned wiring, coding, and a lot about thermoelectricity. There are definitely things we would have done differently if we were aware of such problems, but overall, this project was a success.
When releasing a product to the public, we find that people who travel would really need this, as it is an essential when you're on a plane or on a road trip. You usually run out of charge and sometimes don't have access to a plug. This device will also be very helpful for those who are fully submerged into the technological world, as they would be regularly running out of charge. Our target audience will probably be the working population, as they travel a lot. Teens and children that also want this product, as they're slowly beginning to work around with technology. Our technology will be bought by big companies such as Apple and Samsung. These companies will aid in the process of making our company renowned and will help us on our way to success. We'll also sell this product at Best Buy and The Source, as they're big technological businesses. To benefit of the likelihood of others buying our product, we have attached an utterly low price of $64.99 to allow a wide variety of people to own this technology with their small budgets. As we mentioned throughout our presentation, we had many difficulties that we had to overcome. You may realize by now that our prototype didn't work, although it actually did it by the end, in which we realized that we need to buy a thermoelectric cooler instead of a generator. We realized that this was the key to the lock we were unable to crack. We conducted a small experiment with the thermoelectric cooler. What we did was we placed a candle under a steel plate which would conduct heat to a thermoelectric cooler. This way, the cooler would take the electricity and would transfer it to the wires and convert it into power for the device to use.
For our idea, we first got it when we were discussing science fair ideas, and we were talking about thermoelectricity. We then started to come up with a bunch of thermoelectric ideas, but then came up with the thermocharge, which is the product you know today.
Throughout the process of building our prototype and researching, we learned about many different topics, and this was very enjoyable. We also enjoyed discussing many different features of our prototype, since that allowed us to be very creative.
Throughout this project, we got lots of support from family and teachers. The teachers helped us guide our way through on what we should do first and how we should order things. Then, our parents helped us order materials to make our product a reality. If we were to continue this project, we would work on making our prototype more slimmer, as well as ordering voltage boosters to make charging more efficient and convenient.
Now, let's get to the fun part, our prototype. Our prototype is constructed of mainly paper and cardboard on the inside. Here are the thermoelectric coolers on the outside that can convert the heat of your body into electricity. Here's the wire that uses the thermoelectric cooler's electricity and transfers it to the portable charger. And this is the wireless charging pad.
Before we end things off, we actually have one more section to show off. A website. We decided to make a website as we had extra time and made it look exactly the same as any other tech website. Here's how we did it.
We curated this website as a bonus to our presentation. The website was made using HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript. The HTML from this website was used to construct the basis of our website using regular text. The CSS was used to style the website and give it color and the detail. The CSS also made parts of the website pop and allowed nice centering of elements. The JavaScript used in the website was create the navigation bar up top. The navigation bar helps with the seamless transition of the separate pages on our website. On the website, we mention our thermocharge product, our new and upcoming products, some news, a way to sign up for our newsletter, a way to pre-order our product, and our contact and about information. We attempted to make this website look similar to a normal tech website and aimed for lots of detail to make it realistic as possible. We followed a theme of black and red colorway throughout each page on the website, our presentation, and our logo.
Thank you for watching our project. We hope you enjoyed and learned a bit more about thermoelectricity and everything else we discussed. Thank you.